5 seconds to go. Start. Both the respondents had entered their appearance and filed their respective replies to the complaint filed by the appellant complainant. Stop. The Consumer Forum, after appreciating all the documents filed by the appellant as well as by the respondents in the light of their pleadings, allowed the complaint void the order dated 14th May 2014. Stop. Para. Being aggrieved by the said order, the respondent bank had preferred the first appeal being number 784 of 2014 before the State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, West Bengal, hereinafter referred to as State Commission, which by the order dated 25th October, 2017 partly allowed the appeal. Stop. The State Commission, while confirming the rest of the order passed by the Consumer Forum, modified it to the extent that the order for fine at the rate of rupees 100 per diem was struck off. Stop. The State Commission, after a closer scrutiny of the documents on record, observed in the said order as under, para. On closer scrutiny of the documents on record, following facts emerge. Stop. Para. First, we find that there was complete parity in the signature being put on the deposit slip pertaining to the disputed check for an amount of rupees 3 lakh vis-a-vis specimen signature of the respondent number 1 contained in the official record of the bank. Stop. Para. Secondly, documents on record show that the respondent number 1 signs in English, whereas, Sunil Maity, account holder of another saving account number signs in Bengali. Stop. Significant here to note that while depositing the check for rupees 3 lakh, the depositor signed in English and the name of the depositor was mentioned as Sunil Kumar Maity. Stop. Para. Thirdly, it seems that the respondent number 1 voluntarily disclosed the source wherefrom did he get the said check. Stop. On the other hand, the respondent number 2, stated to be a salaried person, has not uttered any word in this regard. Stop. Since, rupees 3 lakh is quite a considerable sum, reluctance of the respondent number 2 to disclose the source wherefrom did he receive the said check, if at all received, does raise eyebrows. Stop. Para. Fourthly, it is only natural that one would write his name properly while filling up the deposit slip. Stop. There is no reason to believe that Sunil Maity, respondent number 1, would write his name in the deposit slip as Sunil Kumar Maity. Stop. Para. Fifthly, since banks quite meticulously check the name, account number, amount, date, etc. before while crediting proceeds of checks, demand drafts, etc., it was but natural that while the disputed check was issued in the name of Sunil Kumar Maity, the respondent number 2 would impress upon the issuer of the said check to correctly write his name as Sunil Maity by issuing another check. Stop. The amount being quite substantial, the respondent number 2 could hardly afford such leaving anything to chances. Stop.